conquering Taipei 101, one of the world's tallest skyscrapers, 508 metres, in considered a warm-up. Next, 8 bamboo boxes, a 274-metre climb with complicated overhangs known as the Dragons. The street, and streamed it from every corner of the globe.
The observation deck is going off.
The final challenge, the tower. As Alex made the final ascent, all you could hear was the wind. From the top, only one word could sum it all up.
Sick.
One for the history book.
Sick. Sick.